Hi beautiful family, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. Today's video is another powerful recipe. I will show you one of the best way to use this moringa leaf to boost your hair growth. This recipe will shock you. If you are ready for thicker hair, fuller hair, longer hair, this recipe is for you. So grab your seat, let's dive into today's video. What we need on this recipe is fresh moringa leaf. So I've already plugged that one on the bowl where I've already plugged it off camera so that I will not take much of your time. So I remain this little one so that I will show you guys how I remove it from this stain. Okay, just plug. The measurement I use in this fresh leaf of moringa is 1 full hand of my fresh leaf of moringa. Okay, so just plug, depend on your hair. If your hair is longer or thicker than my own, I think you should increase your ingredients so that you can get the best result on it. Okay, so I'm just trying to remove the stain is on this moringa leaf because what we need is the leaf, we do not need the stain. Okay, so after plugging it out, I pour in water to wash it. It's very necessary you wash these leaves so that you will not be putting dirty product on your hair. So make sure that this product is super clean. Okay, so I'm going to wash my, I think, twice. Okay, after washing my twice, I will move to the next step. Moringa contains vitamins, mineral and fatty acid that nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Moringa contains zinc, iron and calcium, which can help strengthen hair and prevent split end. Moringa contains antioxidants that can protect hair from damaging caused by free radical and oxidative stress. Moringa contains omega-3, which can help retain moisture in the hair. Moringa contains biotin, which can help to increase oxygen supply to the scalp. After washing my moringa 3 times, so after washing it twice, okay, this is the second wash. Okay, I'll be the third wash. I lost count either second or third wash, but all I know, I wash it to be super clean before I transfer into this my blender cup. Okay, make sure you do this process. Make sure your moringa leaf is super clean before you put it in your blender. So I pour in small warm water. It's not room temperature water, a little of warm water so that I can get what I need. Okay, don't use room temperature water to blend it. Use warm water. I repeat, warm water. That is the best way for you to get the best benefit of using this. After blending it, I blend it off camera. Okay, so I pour it in my shift cloth to collect my juice. What we are needing is the juice. Is the juice of the moringa that we need. We don't need the residues as in the chaff. We don't need the chaff. What we need is the juice. So I will squeeze. Make sure that I squeeze all the juice out of the chaff. Okay, this juice is super nourishing. This will nourish your hair, promote thicker crazy hair growth. Keep on watching to see how to use this on your hair. Keep on watching to see if you are going to rinse this out of your hair or leave it in your hair. Okay, so next thing now, I put 1 tablespoon of my glycerin. So if you have glycerin, use it. If you don't have, please, you can use honey. Okay, I just put glycerin because glycerin helps to moisturize our hair for moisture sake, but it's not necessary. If you don't have glycerin, you don't have honey, please, only this is okay. Okay, you don't need to worry yourself, you still get the benefits of it. After doing all that, mixing them together, I transfer into this spray bottle for application. Guys, this is that magic. This recipe is that recipe that you will never get tired of using. I have used this recipe for a very long period of time and the result I'm gotten on it is mind-blowing. You will never regret watching this video. This is that way to grow your hair crazy. You know, this is fresh moringa leaf. All the nutrients is into this leaf. All the nutrients transfer into this water. We do not boil it. There's nothing like boiling or hot water of a thing. All the nutrients is so much intact in this spray. So Please try to use this, okay, especially if you are struggling for thinning hair. If you want to thicken up your hair, you don't need to skip this recipe. Give it a try. It can be messy, but forget about the messiness of it. Just try to use it, okay, and you will never regret it. It's better you use product that is messy and good and get best result than you use product that is not messy and you're not seeing any results. I will advise you to use this product, okay, and consistent of using these products, you will see how your hair will thicken up. You will see how that hair falling will stop. You will see that your crown section will regrow. You will see how the voluminous and healthy hair you will have, okay. This will solve a lot of your problem, guys. This is natural remedy. You don't need to worry about it. It's natural. There's no chemical on this, okay. Just use it and you will really have great results on it. If your hair is not in protective hairstyle, you can also use this. It doesn't mean that if you are not wearing protective hairstyle, you not use this product. You can use if your protective hairstyle attach extension, don't use this recipe. This recipe, you can only use it if your protective hairstyle is only your hair. There's no extension attached to it. You can use it. And also, if your hair is not a protective hairstyle, you can also use this recipe, okay. You will definitely get that crazy amazing result in using this recipe, okay. So I will massage my scalp whenever I use this recipe. Massage your scalp. You can also use this as a detangler. As you can see, it contains a lot of slip and is very thick. While blending yours, don't add too much water. That's why I say if your hair is thicker, longer than mine, please use more of the recipe, okay. And after massaging my scalp, the leftover, I will bend down, I'll pour it all over my hair. I wanted to do this off camera. I said no, let me show you guys how I pour it all over my hair, okay. So I just bend down, I'll pour the remaining one on my hair. I don't want to waste this product because this product is so too much, it's so potent to waste, okay. After pouring it all over your hair, massage your scalp very well, cover up the hair. I will cover up my hair and leave it to stay for 1 hour and rinse it out with clean water. Don't use shampoo. Using this recipe, apply it on a fresh wash hair, on a clean hair. Don't apply this recipe on a dirty if you want to see that best result. Rinse it out, okay. After 1 hour or 2 hours, this thing sitting on your hair, you can rinse it out and moisturize your hair. Use this 2 times in a week for that effective result. If you want to stop your hair fall, want to thicken up your hair, can you this once in a week or twice in a week? There's no effect of it, okay. Using it once in a week or twice in a week is the best result. Just prepare the one they can apply once, okay. I believe that this moringa leaf is everywhere. This recipe is only for those that have access to the fresh one. It's only the fresh leaf that you can use in this recipe. Don't use the powder one. Make sure that you have the access with the fresh leaf for you to get this best result you're supposed to get on this recipe. I hope you're understanding me. And rinse it out with clean water. Don't shampoo your hair. Don't do any other thing. After rinsing it out, moisturize your hair, okay. In a 1 more time, guys, that your hair that refuses to grow will grow like a weed. Your hair will be too thick for you to handle. There's no joke on this recipe. I hope you understand me. I hope if there's any further question, feel free to ask in the comment section below, okay. So guys, I have come to end of today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed, help me to click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell whenever you subscribe. Like the video and share the video too, so that this video can get to a lot of people that need this recipe, okay. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. Bye.